Hey guys, what's happening? So I've got a 2006 Mustang GT convertible, and lately I've been having, excuse me, a lot of wind drag, wind noise when the top is up. And so I'm gonna tell you how I fixed the problem, and it seemed to work out pretty good for me. So I probably should have videotaped it while I was doing it, but I can explain it to you and you can pretty much understand. So let me tell you a couple things you're gonna need. You're gonna need a fish tape, handy old fish tape, just like this one here, right? You're gonna need that. You're gonna need some type of a lubricant. What I used was Chemical Guys, VRP. And you're gonna need some surgical tubing. Bought this on Amazon. I think it was like 13 bucks or something like that there, but it's 3/8 of an inch outside diameter, 1/4 inch inside diameter. And it's just surgical tube. It's a real flexible rubber. So over at the car, first of all, you need to clean all of the weather stripping, because it does get old, it gets dirty, and it breaks the seal. So you want to make sure you clean the weather stripping here, 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 and especially here down along the tracks. And then you're going to take that VRP and you're going to actually lubricate it. But inside the track here, give you an idea, here's a surgical tubing that I inserted. So what I did was I took my forgot the name of it, the wire feed or whatever you want to call that shit. And I fed it through. And I taped the surgical wire to it, the surgical tubing to it. Lubricated it very well. Got to put a lot of lubrication on it because you want to be able to have this thing slide through the rubber. And then you got to take in mind that the rubber on the inside here is actually dry. So you got to keep putting a lot of the solution on there as you pull it through to keep it moist all the way across. So once I got it all the way across, I just cut it to size. There's an actual channel, a hole here. So I'm not worried about any water getting trapped in there, because not only does this have a hole in it, but this also has a hole in it. And it drains right down to where it's supposed to drain at. So what it did was it made this a little more structurally sound and less collapsed. And cleaned the track up here. And got one heck of a seal. The wind drag disappeared. You could actually see the seal when you close the top. Once I cleaned everything, because it was very dirty. Once I cleaned everything, it worked out just fine. So let me shut this real fast. Close it. And it's just a nice seal. And the wind noise is gone. Completely gone. But you can see the seal here right across. It seemed to bond everything real tight together. So anyway, so I hope that helps.